This weekend's winter storm delayed and canceled flights across the country, and it heavily impacted Atlanta's airport, Delta's hub, and a major connection point. Our Madeline Montgomery is hearing from travelers.
It appears pretty calm here right now. When you go through security, there's not a long wait, or if you're trying to check a bag, but there already have been hundreds of delays, hundreds of cancellations, according to the flight tracking website FlightAware. And there's people who are making up for the flights they missed yesterday. 1,200 flights were canceled into and out of Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, according to FlightAware. Sam Richardson is ready to head home.
I'd actually booked my flight to fly home. I'm flying to St. Louis to fly home on Sunday, but once the weather forecast came out, we kind of decided it may be better to leave today.
Richardson flew through Atlanta on her way to a girls' weekend in South Carolina. This weekend's winter storm continues to delay her departure.
The flight actually has been on time until I got here to check my bag, and it's been delayed by 30 minutes. I think that kind of has to do with them just trying to pick up from the flights that were delayed early this morning.
Doug Oliver is one of the people just making it to Atlanta after delays out of Detroit.
My original flight was 8:15 this morning, but the snow said no. So yeah, we finally made it.
Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport has hundreds of delays and cancellations, but nothing like Sunday.
We had some other people's flights get canceled. I had to rebook this morning. It just kind of, rolling with it as easy as we can.
Richardson is hoping booking today is the right move to reunite her with her family.
My husband, who works from home, has been with the kids now for 4 days while they've been dealing with snow and cold and ice.
She's glad she avoided the snow in St. Louis, but she's ready to be back.
It's been such a good girls' weekend, but getting home is so important because I do this for my family.
She even has a souvenir to remind her daughter of sunnier days. Yesterday across the country, there were 9,400 cancellations. That's the most in a single day since the COVID pandemic. Sharon?
Thanks, Madeline. Well, several Metro Atlanta schools tomorrow, but schools up north will be closed, delayed, or virtual. You can find a full list of school updates scrolling below and on CBSAtlanta.com.